Hello, everyone. I'm Marc Juarez, and this is joint work with Aleksandra Korolova and myself. Researchers have proposed to use federated learning to improve wake word detection in Alexa. However, we know that speech recognition models make more mistakes for certain demographic groups, and this disparate performance may lead to harms that go beyond the mere experience of a word service. For example, that group with more mistakes may be more exposed to surveillance because false positives are sent to the cloud for further processing. However, measuring these disparities is challenging, as the attributes that determine the disparity, such as the ethnicity or the race, are for legal and privacy reasons often not available. Our solution is to design novel local differentially private mechanisms to measure what we call the performance gap, the absolute difference between the group averages of a given performance metric. The larger the gap, the more likely a disparate impact exists. Our hypothesis is that existing federated learning deployments can afford the privacy budget that our mechanisms require for accurate measurements. To answer this question, we follow the theoretical approach by bounding the error of the mechanisms as a function of the number of clients and a certain privacy level. Some highlights of our results: we show that highly private and accurate measurements are feasible in existing deployments. This is because the large number of clients in these settings allows to attenuate the noise. Thus, federated learning provides a unique opportunity to safely measure the disparities. In the literature, most prior work focuses on mitigating the disparities and overlooks measurement. So we hope that our findings will encourage researchers, companies, and regulatory agencies make measurements of the gap and raise awareness. Thank you for your attention. You can find a complete description of our mechanisms and their evaluation in the paper. Please contact us if you have any questions.